MeghalayaPost.news.
Myntri Badipe Yakatana Revenue and Disaster Management, Uba Lakman Rymbui, Mentagas New Lapan Pow Dakabong, Naka Jingtwa Ngut Rangbah Mawlieh, Naka Jingtwa Kansan Maw, Naka Jingpenhe Ekasurong, Nashilong Shadauki, Kadek Jingjia, Kaba Omsham Lapoi Perkan, Ulong Ru Haka Jingshisha, Nakaliang SDU, Uladat Banbu, Naka Jingmaham, Kapor Bankang Banya Pajba, Nrekanik Jingjia Klajaran Khan, but Kabalong Kajingdu Nong Kabakra, Holor Kajingklat no. Ngut Rangbah kabade Naka Jingtwa Maw berkendau Mawlieh ulong ru Naka Jingshisha kum Myntri Sorkar usung komen bawan kenika kampen roy Naka bataman pensuk iki pajba hagalit kawan neng baka surok kabalabit labiang baru baka Sorkar kelasim kiaban penstat yakakam Henry kum Myntri Sorkar ulapan pa bom senguhun kemensiam bangiladu yaki Ngut kemensiam ki bakordor na katega jingja susu ulaban rap ru da kabaong bau kmi lenti bandan kajingtre lang nadu ka Sorkar kabor district bat ka company bangi haban simkia Naka bantaka jingshingan kipat ba hagalit kawan batkum kiti jingja kem desu bandang ja badairu bakane ka kam kanya stat nakamta ka jingbit jingbiang jong kipat ba kibapendon kam ya ka surok na shilong shadauki badya lemba kathan penusla
centralized all over the state, so the district magistrate is fully empowered as the chairman of disaster management to look into all the issues related to the district. So it is not for us at the state level to see those things. We have empowered, and the management rule also empowered the district magistrate to do all the things before.
When it comes to SDRF, or are you going for new recruitment and what?
We are well equipped, whether manpower, and because when we manage this disaster management, it's not only from the government. We are very happy that people are fully cooperated, and we have the team from the Home Guard, we have the team from the police, we have the fire and fire service. All those teams are on alert, and I'm also happy. Most importantly, that the people of Meghalaya, they are very cooperative with the agency in tackling in any eventualities. See, when we talk about the disaster, it is not one. It's not because of rain. It is not only because of rain. We have to issue also when we have to manage how to manage the disaster. We have to see whether this wall, whether this hill is stable or not, whether through the deforestation, whether it affect the management of the disaster or not, is a combination of everything. When we talk about disaster, it's not only about rain, it's not about earthquake, it's not about any other thing. There are also man-made, there are also the accident which happen. See, the SDO civil have already issued time and again ministry prohibition, restriction, and whatever happened is unfortunate. I'm very happy that government have asked the SDO civil to inquire into those incidents, and recently I have seen also the agency which implement this highway, especially from Shillong Daki, have taken step to see that whatever foreseeable thing which may happen, to see. That's why they have dismantled those hillock at Mawlieh and all. So we hope that with better coordination between the district administration, the sub-divisional administration, and the implementing agency should be there to manage this crisis which we are talking about.
But are you satisfied with the work progress in Shillong Daki Road as Minister in charge of disaster management?
I am not satisfied because the human life is lost. I am satisfied with the step taken by the government to see that the road is completed, and more importantly, to see that no disaster happen. But since disaster, I'm very sad to see that those type of incidents happen. And let's hope that all the implementing agency and the government also should take note that this type of thing should not happen while implementing any other project in the state of Meghalaya.
Wow. According to the latest...
See, as I told you that I don't have the record with me as of now, but the Deputy Commissioner is fully equipped to tackle the necessary thing. And if there is fund shortfall, they can always write to the state so that necessary thing could be done. But to manage a disaster is not centralized one. We have decentralized everything to see that because those people who are there, they can attend immediately to the need of the people. The government of Meghalaya, the disaster management team, are well equipped to handle all the situation. And more importantly, as you know that now with the help of technology, we can predict the thing beforehand. So, but as of now, I don't have the report with me. How's the rain all over the state? But having said that, the team, whether from the SDO office or the DC office or in all the state of Meghalaya, they have been alerted to attend to any situation arise. So let's hope that the situation will be it's not warranted for anybody, but all the disaster management team are on standby.
MeghalayaPost.news